Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and if you are new here, let me introduce myself first. Myself Meenal, and I am a second year civil engineering student. So here I am giving you juicy advices that I wish I knew before going into my first year of college. If you clicked on this video, I guess you all are going to be a freshman student soon, or maybe you already are. So don't worry, these tips will go along with you till the end of your first year, so that your first year will be memorable and you will be able to score good as well. So grab your snacks and let's dive into the video. Number one thing is, it's okay to be nervous. You know what? Everyone around you feel the same exact way. They are nervous, they are anxious. Because they are not showing it doesn't mean they are not. Everyone on their first day is anxious. Everyone is scared to make friends, to see how their professors are like, to face the college environment, because it's totally different from what you have experienced in school. And those people who live away from their homes like I do, like in the dorms, everyone around you feel the same way. Like most, if not everyone, most of the people are very anxious and very nervous to speak out, to talk to you, and it's totally okay, just take deep breaths and embark on this new chapter, this exciting chapter of your life. Okay, number 2 is get organized early. Having a plan can save you a lot of stress and can save you a lot of time. You can use any planning app like Notion or whatever works best for you to schedule your class, your attendance, your project, your assignments, and these things will help you stay ahead of all your peers and be able to score good as well. Personally, I use Notion. I have used a lot of planning apps, but the one that works best for me is Notion. It helps me stay organized and always on the top of whatever assignments are my due and whatever work I am lacking in. So if you ask me for the suggestion, I would definitely suggest you Notion. So yeah, you can check that out as well. Number 3 and the very important tip is that don't buy all your books immediately. This is one of the blunder mistakes I did, to buy all my books before my college even started. Yes, I bought all the books and some books weren't even necessary. I didn't even use them. I didn't even open them. So wait until your first week of college, let your professors tell you what books are important for you, and some subject doesn't even require books. Because professors give very neat notes as far as I have seen, and guess what, you can even find books online on the websites and on a very cheaper price as well. And if you are buying books, I'll give you a suggestion: buy second-hand books. There is no need to buy freshly new books because they will save you a lot of money. This is a tip that I'll discuss later on, so let's jump into the next tip first. Number 4, balance is the key. Okay, I know you must have heard this tip in most of the videos you have clicked on, but genuinely making balance between your socialization and your academia is very important. Because you know what? Some people go to college and they're all like, I need to focus on studying, I need to build my career, and yeah, career is important, but you can't leave your hobbies like that. Those are the things that make you enthusiastic. I'm not saying some people have studying as their hobbies as well, but hobbies like art, drawing, dancing, sketching, and digital art like music, there are a lot of hobbies, and you need not to stop doing that, because college is not all about study. It's about being socializing. Like, you need to socialize, you need to go and join club of your hobbies, and you will be able to make new friends there as well. I have joined my cultural club of the college because you all know I love dancing, and if you don't, I'm telling you right now, I love dancing. So I have joined this cultural club and it didn't affect my studies at all. I'm telling you guys, if you guys are going to give your 100% in just one field, you are not going to focus on other things. If you will give your 100% in dancing or whatever your hobby is, you're not going to give your 100% in starting as well. You need to give your 50-50%. So it means you need to find your balance. So go out there, find club of your hobbies, join them, and tell me in the comment section what your hobbies are. Number 5, and this is a very important tip, guys. So listen carefully. Stay healthy. I know you guys just got into college, you will feel like you are getting some new freedom, some new independence that you never got in your school. Yes, you are going to get independence, but to certain extent. Freedom doesn't mean you are going to fall into bad habits. Don't vape, no drugs, no alcohol. Guys, this is going to destroy your life. It might sound rude, but no. This is going to destroy your whole college life. Don't go with those kind of friends who are going to push you into these bad habits. And if you think that if you break your friendship with such people, it is going to affect your future friends, no, it is not. If you're going to break friendship with such people who are forcing you to do some bad habits, just break that friendship and find someone else. Or even being alone is much better than going to these bad habits. So please, this is a genuine request from me to you guys. You got your independence, right? That means go out with your friends, party, and do whatever you want. You can even try out like a quick workout routine, or just go for a run in early in the morning, or even at night, because you are free now. You're getting it? Freedom doesn't mean you are going to fall into bad habits. This was a very important tip that I wanted you to follow, and I wish you well. And if you are going to, don't forget to put a thumbs up button in the comment section. The next tip is budget your money. I know, guys, you have your own bank balance now and nobody is asking you where you are spending your money. Neither your parents, neither your elder siblings. But that doesn't mean you are just going to waste money in clubbing, in like going out with friends or partying, or either in restaurants. It's okay to spend money with your friends, going to clubs, but to a certain extent, like once a week or maybe twice a week, or even thrice if you are very addicted to these things, going clubbing and like enjoying with your friends. But instead, you can just save that money and use it for important purpose, like getting yourself some new books or joining some new courses, and you can just save that money. You can track your money with apps like Notion. I am obsessed with this app, guys. I use this app for literally everything. I personally use Notion app for all my finances. I track all my finances there, or my expenses there. Okay, so the last tip is enjoy the journey. Guys, this college is all about ups and downs, and you will not even know when your college life ended. So enjoy every movement, even if it is challenging one. Just face them with a big smile on your face, and these challenges get added to your experiences of life, and it's very important to face challenges in your life as well. This marks us to the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more video content like these, and don't hesitate to comment down below if you want any other tips videos like this. And share it with your friends who are also going to be a first year student. I hope this will give them a little bit of courage and give them enthusiasm of going to be on their first day. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye.